Let's talk about the food at the Langham. Famous for the buffets for both breakfast and dinner. Now, this is not any normal buffet where large amounts of food are just dumped into barn-brie tins. Rather, it is perfectly presented and served by a team of highly skilled chefs. Let's start off with the dinner buffet. As you walk in, you are met with an amazing selection of seafood. Prawns, oysters, crab, mussels, fresh tuna, kingfish, and so much more. I always have the bad habit of checking out the dessert section before mains. Here we have cakes, puddings, tarts and fresh fruit. And the chocolate fountain is always a favourite, with homemade ice creams and toppings. As we walk past the preserves to the roast meat section. Steamed vegetables, potato gratin, crayfish, roast pork, chicken, lamb, beef, and if you still have room, roast duck is available. Pasta and dumpling section where chefs will cook up a dish of your choice, stir fries and anything else you can imagine. This is my favourite, the Indian food section. Curries, rice and dips accompanied by a house-made naan while you wait. The next morning we had recovered just in time for the breakfast buffet. As we start off, we have a selection of fresh fruit, veg to make whatever juice you desire. Platters of freshly sliced fruit to start your morning. Here, yogurts, birchland muesli and more fresh fruit. And it's important to have the chocolate fountain, ice cream and pancakes available as well. Fresh honeycomb, gluten-free breads, preserves, and the amazing display of cold meats, cheeses and salads. The hot breakfast section. Bacon, tomato, mushrooms, beans, sauteed potatoes, sausages, the list goes on. Accompanied by eggs any way you like. Or maybe an omelette is more your style. Well, no problem. And here comes the danger section for me, pastries. Well, it would be rude not to have at least one. And also, a selection of breads are available. All to be enjoyed while looking out on this beautiful view of Melbourne. Thank you to all the fantastic Langham staff for this amazing stay, and we'll see you soon.
The suppression.